Okay, so today is December 12th, and I wanted to put the strategy into effect on the live markets and see how it goes. So I took I over traded by a ton because I underestimated how hard it's gonna be to um, withhold myself from just jumping at every opportunity, as I did before, you know. So I will show I kind of flip flopped because I was. Let me just show you these trades. Okay, so kind of flip flopped on the daily, obvious bullish, 4 hour obvious bullish, 1 hour we were obviously bullish from here, obviously bullish. My sentiment on this on price was price getting to this area, sweeping liquidity on the lower time frame, then dropping down to this area of basically just support. This area of support, this area of where that has a lot of liquidity built under during the Asian session. This um demand zone. Last point, price 1 2 before pushing all the way up. This is why I had price last getting to, or had price getting to. So I break a structure here to the upside. So I was kind of telling myself it could go up, it could go down, but knowing in the past here, every time it got here, it dropped. And the fact that price pushed up, I don't even know how many pips. Price pushed up a ton of pips. All right, it pushed up a bunch, right? No pullback, no significant pullback happened. Every time price pulls up, you see price pulls up, and we need a significant pullback. Price pulls up, significant pullback. That was a significant enough. Bow, boom, pullback, boom, 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 pullback, boom, pullback, boom, pullback, boom. Strong push up, not a significant pullback. And where can we anticipate we get a pullback is at this area of supply where price got here and then slammed down. I think I said supply here too. I meant demand. But yeah, so let's break these trades down. I was on the 5 minute and saw internal breaker structure to the downside. Hindsight, I seeing a breaker structure here doesn't really matter. Because only the higher time frame matters considering we're at such a significant level. Usually, if you're just trading at somewhere here, breaker structures do matter, but you're likely to see liquidity get swept and continuation. Yeah, London session we see liquidity get built here. I'm not too sure how to if I hide these, how do I get it back? I'm not too sure. I know there was a way, but I forgot how. All right, I guess not. I'll just delete them and stop over. So the first trade I took was this short. Saw price create liquidity here, come down, started New York, push all the way up, push down, significant push down, get back up. I was kind of bullish here, kind of bullish. I'm like, okay, maybe we saw a sweep of liquidity here. Actually, oh, that was in the first trade. Yeah, I remember because I took a trade there. This trade here, straight off the sweep of liquidity, saw a nice sweep of liquidity, strong rejection down, entered there, price pushed up. Push up, stop me out. I exited the trade here because I was like, oh, maybe price is going the opposite way. So I exited that trade, entered this buy right here. Okay, price is going up. Got stopped out of that one. I'm like, okay, maybe that's not the play. Hold on, let me get all these back. Because I said maybe that's not the play. Entered a short again above this because I saw another sweep of liquidity. Very small, but these are minor sweeps. Like I'm looking for good, strong sweeps because that's what gold reacts off of. I see another shape. I'm like, Oh, maybe I don't know. I'm grasping at straws at this point. Maybe this is it. Nope, it's not. Straight push-ups, and I exited here. Entered for a buy right there. Boom, boom, boom. Got stopped out of that one. Hindsight, my bias was correct. I read price correctly. Um, of course, price could have pushed up, but this is the zone that again has essentially been unmitigated for a long time. This zone hasn't been touched in a long time. Chances are price is going to react strongly off of this area. And if I'm wrong and price pushes up, then so be it. I'm not mad at these two trades. I'm not mad at those. I'm not mad. I'm a little mad at this one. This one could have been better. Should have. This wasn't a strong enough sweep. If I see this sweep couldn't slam the price down, should have expected another sweep. Maybe just knowing how gold moves off of these strong sweeps. Seeing the fact that price created a double top, equal highs, maybe price was looking to sweep more liquidity before pushing down. So hindsight, yeah. These two trades I am definitely mad at. Should not have switched my bias whatsoever. Price what swing structure was bullish, but this is one of those scenarios where swing structure could be bullish, but internal is bearish. No, I'm pro swing, counter swing, and low key counter internal. I'm expecting this drop. I was anticipating this drop from the fact that we even got all the way. Yeah, the fact that we even got all the way up here. I was anticipating this drop. Unmitigated supply zone, or yeah, supply zone. Um, Liquidity down here that hasn't been swept yet. Just resting liquidity here that price has reason to go grab before continuing up, right? Lack of a pullback, and now here we see liquidity. No liquidity being made in this candlestick. There's no liquidity here. So when price comes back up here, I'm not expecting a sell. I'm expecting this area to just get flown through if price does come back here. That is if price does get back here. If we start creating lower highs and lower lows, then we'll see price continue down. But those were the I forgot to add these back. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not mad at this trade right here. These two trades. This one could have been better. You're gonna win some. You're gonna lose some. This model isn't perfect. You're gonna get faked out by the market. Seeing this liquidity sweep here, targeting this little area where liquidity lies. That's a 5-to-1 risk to reward. Take out all these losses, and yeah, price instantly sweeps, and we might see price go to the upside. Price can fly back up. Yeah, those are the trades. Going to journal them. All right, keep forgetting to do this. Hold on. I don't want to lose these because I'm not gonna remember where I put them, but gonna journal these. Continue getting better. Continue journaling with videos after every morning of the New York session because it's the only session I'm trading. And we see how RTP would have got hit in what 1 hour basically. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep being consistent and see you guys on Monday. Yeah.